You see that car? Cool car, huh? Design studio. They turn these off due to COVID. All right. We are. Come on, guys. You know? Oh, that way? Come on. Number 7. 7 and 8, guys. We'll be in the front. Whoa, big guy, go. Go, big guy, go. You driving, big man. You driving. I'll drive over here. Wow. Unreal. Woo. Ready? All right. TestTrack. You guys ready? All right. Gotta put seatbelts on. You got it? Good. Close. We're going. We're going, big guy.
Hello. The seatbelt check is around the corner. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened in your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And please supervise children. Thank you.
La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de la esquina. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuida a los niños.
Pull in, big guy. Right here. Hold on to the hat, big guy. Put it down.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the TestTrack.
We're going up. We're going up, big guy. Ready? Whoa! Whoa! Look at my hat. Whoa!
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar.
Whoa! OnStar! On my car!
SIM car performance data acquired.
Woo! Look at that! Woo! This is wild, man! Whoa!
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
This is wild, man! You alright, big dude? Alright.
Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Here we go! Woo!
Scanning SIM car for optimal eco efficiency.
It is hot here. It's hot.
Gauging eco scan for aerodynamic efficiency.
Wow.
Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact.
All right, we're going through some sort of tunnel.
Commencing responsiveness test.
The responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active.
The cornering is awesome. The corner right here. Oh man.
Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Here we go. Here we go.
Energizing for power test. TestTrack performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the same car after you disassemble.
That's your hat? Oh yeah, you put your hat on.
Please watch your step as you exit.
Wow.
And remember to take all your personal belongings with you. Be sure to check your final performance numbers in our storing area.
I want to ride that again. That was insanity. I got you. Yeah, let's ride it again. This way, big guy. You good? That was fun? All right, exit. That's right. Whoa. Ah, awesome. Yeah. The photo pass is that one. Wow. That was insanity. Oh, here we go. Showroom. There's a Blazer. I love this truck. Wow. It's awesome. Camaro. Wow. That's awesome. Wow. Look at that hat, huh? TestTrack. All right. There we go. Whoa. Till next time. Under construction, but that's the Epcot Sphere coming soon. Wow. All right, let's roll.